ever wonder how they take an empty Diet Coke can like this and actually do some magic to put back the lid, shake it, and actually fill the whole thing back up again and actually be able to take, check this out, an actual drink? How cool is that? Well, I'm gonna show you how it's done. Let's do it. So first what you want to do is use a black marker. I'm using purple for you guys to see a lot easier. And you want to cut it in the shape of the tab on the Coke can. Then what you want to do is actually take the can itself, and then you want to, on the left side or right side of the tab where you're opening it, poke a hole. Now you want to poke a hole and then kind of turn it. I'm using scissors here. So that way the hole's a little bit big, just so you can put your thumb over it. And then what you want to do is empty out a lot of the liquid while pressing on the sides. That way you can get that kind of empty effect. Then you want to put on that fake tab, so it kind of from an angle looks like it's open. You want to do the magic trick where you actually put your thumb and remove it. And once you shake the can, what you're actually doing is creating enough carbonation so that way it looks like it's actually refilling, but in fact it's just creating pressure.
Çekiyorum. Çekiyor musun? Bak kurşunu görüyorsun. Hepsi kurşuna saplıydı. Milleti kandırmışlar. Al kurşun. Açın. Al Veysel bak.
Ya neyse abi şimdi sen sana ne yapacaksın abi, götüreceksin abi. Oldu olmadı abi. Herkese selamet, ey dostluk.
Al kurşun. Tamam çekiyor. Bak. Yat abi. Kurşundur abi. Al. Tapa çıktı. Al. Tapası da aynı o şekil. Tapası da kurşundur. Al. Bak.
Tahtası.
Avdır bağla Mustafa abi, gerek yok.
Baldır.
Enguz var.
Bak baldır. Balı görüyorsun. Gel balı da gör.
Kurşunla balla kurşun. Baldır abi.
Bal.
Tekrar. Tamam. Kenara gelebilir misin?
Alright guys, it's 1 a.m. I can't sleep. Let's make a lava lamp. Step 1, get a vase. Step 2, add water to the vase. Step 3, add food coloring to the vase. Step 4, take any type of oil and add it to the vase very slowly. Now add some Alka-Seltzer. Check it out guys, you have now made a homemade lava lamp. Oh my gosh. Watch the color pick up right now. You can start to see it. Look how cool that is. Oh my gosh. Woo. This is tripping. I'm dizzy. Oh my god. Follow me with Late Night Hack.
it's alright. Hush.
So this is space. So why haven't we seen any aliens yet? Well, it's probably because the distance between these two marbles or planets is billions of light years away. So if you look at the grand scheme of things, if life was 1 in a billion, and let's say this marble had life or this planet had life, the distance between them is billions and billions of years. So even if they could travel at the speed of light, they wouldn't visit us for billions of years. The more you know.
When I popped off, then your girl gave me just a little bit of la chop. Baby so cold, he from the north, he from the Canada. Bankroll so low, I got nothing else that I can.
Off the deep end, I don't think you wanna go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me a reason.
Great Sean on the beat, by the way.
My body different. Shorty said she tryna kick it. I'm in the mouth, son, like a dentist. Cooking up, I'm in the kitchen. Big bro.
Hey guys, dry ice or boiling copper? Let's do it. Oh. Time travel possible? Well, looking into the past actually is. And what I mean by that is if you were to look at the sun and the sun were to explode, you wouldn't see that explosion for 8 minutes. It would just look normal to you. So if we were to take that theory and actually go travel 10 light years away, if we were sitting on a planet 10 light years away and we had a strong enough telescope to look onto the Earth's surface, we would actually be looking at Earth as it were in 2010. We would not be seeing it as 2020.
Hadi hazırız. Tamam hazırız. Açın. Ya Bismillah ya Allah. Tamam. Tamam. Hoca. İçinde.
We're going to see what happens when we take this huge thing of Diet Coke and put this whole roll of Mentos in. Let's do it. So I got sent this box. I'm not really sure what it does. I've been trying to click this little switch here, but this thing comes out and closes it every time. So I'm not sure what the heck it does, but look at this. Like, what, just let me, stop it. Like, it must do something. I don't understand. This is space. And this is the sun. The larger mass that something has, the deeper it actually pulls down space and time. Now you can see why we actually go around in an elliptical and not just in a perfect circle around the sun. You can see that the marbles actually gain speed when they get closer and slow down when they're further away. That's what creates the elliptical shape. Reverse oobleck. Let's do it. This is how you make a melting crayon painting. Step 1, get crayons and glue them in the order that you like. When that's done, it's time to bring out the heat gun. You can also use a blow dryer. Now melt the crayons to your satisfaction and you've got a finished product. 724. 725.
This made me feel like I would never try again, but when I saw you, I felt something I I never felt. Come closer, I'll give you all my love. If you treat me right, baby, I'll give you everything. My last